How to transfer from Union Square Market Street Station to Powell Street Station.
Powell Station， 來自 J、K、T、M 和 N。請喺呢度去 Powell 站轉搭 J、K、T、M 和 N 線列車。
After exiting the train at Union Square Market Street Station, follow overhead signs to Stockton, Ellis Street.
You know what?
After you pass the ticket machines, make a right. Head past the BART fare gates, and the Muni Metro gate line will be to your left. When you reach the platform, trains to your right will be heading westbound towards Balboa Park, SF Zoo, Ocean. Trains to your left will be heading eastbound towards Embarcadero. For more information about service to the Central Subway, please visit sfmta.com/service changes.